There's a certain kind of a Mint spirit, like a family sensation when you start working at Mint. Every company has its culture, but although we are all over the world, like there is a certain feeling that everybody's part of a family that I have never had in any previous employee.
The aspects of Mint that I appreciate the most is the familial understanding when something really isn't going right that's outside of work. You always have people to support you, upper management that understands.
I appreciate the most just like the family feeling. It's just great that you have a problem, you just go to anybody, even just like normal conversations, everybody's friendly, everybody's just like, yeah, we can help you, or yeah, come talk with us. It's really amazing, which to like my life, I didn't like experience in any like internship or any other job I had.
So I find the flexibility of working from home, and they also give me the opportunity to go to Kiel office if and when I need to, which I have done previously. I've got to know department managers as well as colleagues, and including my directors, and have a personal approach. So I find that really helps within my own confidence and the job itself.
What I find rewarding is that every day is a new challenge. There is no boring day. There is always something to learn.
Besides of the nice environment, the work environment we have at Mint, the opportunity you get to work with people from different cultures, because you get to learn different things from them every day, and also keep learning from the technology sector.
We have employees from all the around 15 countries. It really helped me to bring out my creativity, and working with different cultures, it helped me to grow both personally and professionally.
So Mint definitely encourages creativity in our jobs. So for instance, as a customer relationship manager, I teach our customers, I hold workshops, and they really give us creative freedom to teach in the way that we feel most comfortable. And so over the past 4 years, I've really learned that I love teaching. And I think it's because we're allowed to be creative with it.
There is not one, but multiple unique qualities I see in Mint. First of all, the respect which we got in Mint. So you can get money in any company, but treating you with respect is most important one for me. Whenever you go with a new ideas, whenever you want to say your point, upper management always take that as a positive feedback. Also, we have very good work-life balance, so many fun activities, and whenever there is a chance, Christmas, any celebration, we celebrate together.
The most important thing for me is the great work environment, based in three things: responsibility, quality time, and respect.
Our team building activities, they are really interesting. We play soccer in a month, and then we have many different games which bring out the different teams of departments. We all come together and work together. If you have something very unique skill, like for me, I'm also a national level yoga champion, and Mint really gave me this opportunity to show with Mint employees, to take session with them on the like International Yoga Day.